What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? How's everybody doing? My name is Officer Smith, and welcome back to yet another stream. We are RPing in Limitless Life RP, and I think my game just... Oh, there we go. It's there. Alright. We're getting in. We're going. We are almost at the courthouse. We have a court... Jesus Christ, the traffic light's out. So, this is gonna be no idea what that man's doing. But, howdy everybody. We are RPing in Limitless Life RP here. We have a civil suit that I've been called to. Or, not a civil suit. I don't know. A court case that I've been called to. Nonetheless. I need my vehicle to shut off. Alright, and we're gonna go ahead and head inside here. I need to adjust the volume here real quick. Of my audio. Alright, that should be better. I don't know, I have a pretty like... I'll turn it up too. Just so you can hear it. Alright. Got a bunch of people walking in here for this. Starts in 8 minutes. We're just gonna get briefed. Gotta love working with the VPS company. Was that being sarcastic? How's it going, Clark? Don't know if that was sarcastic or not. I don't know who that was. I need to make sure my voice is working. I was messing with it right before my stream, so... How's it going, ladies?
Officer? Hey, officer, can I just talk with you for a second?
Yeah, you probably shouldn't be here.
Yeah.
You know
I'm
who's...
over and past that.
You're over
Yeah.
and past that.
We're good. What's this I hear through the grapevine that I have a warrant?
Yeah, I placed that last night. It's a questioning warrant. We can deal with it after.
Okay, I just don't understand how, considering circumstances, but okay.
Hey, if you need a lawyer.
Right.
Here, buddy.
Yeah, fuck 'em.
Come here. Okay, you need a lawyer, I'm here.
Alright. Well, that's fun. That's always fun, yeah. Alright, well, he's not back here. I'm waiting for the judge. I want to speak with him. I don't know what I'm supposed to be, here for. Ooh, food. I'm gonna have some of this. Yeah, this is good. Alrighty. All rise, Honorable Judge Larson. Yep. Wait, I think about that all the time. I need to put my mustache on. There we go. No, I mean business. Alright. I don't know why these aren't free. Oh no, we're still ESX. We've been ESX, we're looking to switch.
For you.
Yeah, what's up?
Theoretically, if the cop being sued doesn't show up, what happens?
It's a very good question. I'm looking for the judge, so I can ask him.
Okay. Just curious.
I don't know where Judge Parsons is. Alright. I'm also live streaming on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. So, if you're over on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button, or you can hit subscribe on Twitch. I would love that too. But yeah, make sure to follow, like, do all that kind of stuff. Much appreciated. So, I'm pretty sure that is the judge right now.
Pretty sure you're supposed to sit down.
That's fun, yeah. Cell room. Yeah, that's where I came in at. Oh, that's where I was supposed to come in at. You know what? I'm gonna go put some stuff in my... Well, hello. You should really be locked. Mr. Parsons! Question for you. I had someone... Hello?
Hi.
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 I had someone ask what happens if Shell Scott doesn't show up. What happens?
He was subpoenaed, so he gets a failure to appear.
Ah, cool. That. Great. Perfect. Thank you. Oh. Also, what am I here for? I mean, didn't I get, like...
I believe is a witness.
Okay. Cool. I don't have to do much then. Good for me. Oh, I'm not in this. Alright. I need to put this crap away. Put that in there. Alright. I don't know how I add a door. Door name. City Hall 1. I'll worry about that later.
Officer?
Hello.
Good slum. And they really need WD-40.
I'm gonna sit in the back of the flippin' thing. Thanks, Drift, for the 100 cheered bits. Much appreciated. He's gonna have to speak up a lot louder. Great.
for one moment.
Oh boy, where is my popcorn?
Can everybody hear me okay?
Yes, Your
Yeah.
Honor.
Beautiful. All right, ladies and gentlemen of the court, thank you for all being here today. I'm going to be standing because my chair does not have a sit function. The court will be taking under consideration for today the matter of Gallows v. Scott and LSPD. I believe Gallows is here, it appears. Is this correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And who do we have acting on counsel for Mr. Gallows?
Zachariah Mall. Sorry.
My God,
All right,
I don't
Mr.
even
Mall.
know his name.
Thank you. You may be seated. Do I have the defendant, Shell Scott, here?
Negative, Your Honor. Don't know why my hands are up. Don't know what to do with them right now.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. You're going to have to speak up.
Let's unfuck that, please. No, Mr. Scott's not here. I'll be representing LSPD. Pardon the BCSO outfit. Just running BCSO tonight.
All right, could you speak up for me? I don't believe I can hear you very well.
Damn, you're old. I'll be representing LSPD tonight. Mr. Scott is not here for trial.
I can hear him all the way over.
And you are?
I'm Officer Swain.
Okay. It believes that you're also subpoenaed here as a witness on behalf of Mr. Gallows as well.
Sure.
Okay. Very well. All right.
Attitude.
Does anyone know the whereabouts of Mr. Scott, or does he have any legal counsel here to represent him?
That will also be the LSPD representing Mr. Scott.
Okay. Does Mr. Scott plan on appearing?
I believe that's going to have to default to our acting commissioner at this time.
What?
Your Honor, what the hell is going on here?
I'm just a witness.
Are you also the acting commissioner?
Yeah.
Negative, sir. This guy back here is with the
Yeah,
T-bar.
I am. Yeah.
Okay. Do you know the whereabouts of Shell Scott, or if he'll be
He hasn't been on radio tonight, sir. We don't track them in their off damn time. Let me see if I have his number. I have his number. Let me give him a call.
Okay.
Your Honor, I have a question for you. So I'm subpoenaed just to provide character witness statement on behalf of the plaintiff, correct?
That is correct. He said you have information containing to it.
Well, his phone's off. Mr. Parsons, the phone number that I have is currently turned off, so he apparently does not want to be reached. You hear that, Mr. Parsons? Judge.
Yes.
Okay. Just making sure.
All right. We will give him another 5 or so minutes to make an appearance before this court before we proceed farther.
Reserved.
Commissioner, could I get you to approach the bench, please?
Yes, sir. Is this the bench up here?
Yeah, the bench is what I'm standing at.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. In the event that he does not show, I will be asking for you to give a to issue a warrant for a charge for failure to appear against Mr. Scott. And I ask this to you as you being the acting head of the law enforcement division within our state currently. You can put it under me, say that it was requested by the judge.
Yeah.
But if he does not appear, it's the route we will have to proceed forward with.
All right.
We'll give him another minute until we're 10 minutes past the start of the court date, and we'll move forward from there.
Okay. Dang it.
It has now been 10 minutes since this court has came into session with no sign of the defendant, Mr. Shell Scott. There is representation from Lieutenant C from the LSPD, which will be accredited. Mr. Mall, at this time, is you being legal counsel for Mr. Gallows, do you move forward with just LSPD, or would you like for us to file for a continuance and try to get him here, Mr. Scott here, at a later date?
Let's get it over with.
Want to continue?
Yes.
We would like to continue, Your Honor. Sorry, Your Honor. We would like to continue.
All right, very well. A continuance will be filed on this case. This case will be moved to my next available court date as presiding judge of this council.
Wait, no, I wanted to do it today. Hello. Lawyer.
Mr. Miles, is there a discrepancy in between your statement and your client?
I meant I wanted to do it tonight.
Oh my god.
Hello, Mr. Lawyer. Mr. Lawyer.
While we wait for the return of Mr. Gallo's legal counsel, this court will be in recess until he is able to rejoin us.
Apparently, Mr. Shell Scott. Apparently, they both have something in common. Shell Scott isn't here, and his legal defense isn't here. They both disappeared.
It's like magic.
Yep.
Very well. Could I see you in my chambers real quick?
Yep.
Okay. In the event that he does not show up, even if we move forward,
Legal
today,
counsel?
Yeah, well, I think legal counsel's on his way back. But in the event that Mr. Scott does not make an appearance at all, we'll still issue we will still issue the warrant on the charge of failure to appear for him. And I'll also inform the court what this means and the court of your responsibility to apprehend him for those charges and bring him before this court for an appearance.
Gotcha.
So if we move forward today, it will just be strictly on the LSPD's portion of this, and that's really on them as a. All we will really be ruling today is whether they are liable for the actions that have of Mr. Shell Scott.
Gotcha.
So you and Mr. C will be subpoenaed for the second court date as well, because you'll both be needed to as witnesses for that.
Yep. Okay.
Very well. Just making sure we're on the same page. You ready to rejoin the court?
Yeah. I was just testing out your comfy chair.
Mr. Mall, welcome back with us.
Thank you, sir.
All right, this time this court is back in session. Mr. Mall, before we went to a recess, was there a discrepancy between you and your client's statements or wishes to continue?
Yeah, we would like to continue.
Like we
Just
want
for
to do it tonight.
clarification, are we asking
Yeah, like we wanna
continue
do it
this
tonight,
case,
sir.
Or we could ask you to continue today?
Today, sir.
Okay. Just so it is known to this court and the people of this court, without the presence of Mr. Scott, this will only today's process will only be a determination of the LSPD's fault for the actions Mr. Scott is accused of. This will not be a verdict on whether Mr. Scott is guilty of his actions, only if the LSPD is guilty by association with those, being his employer and employing him as a law enforcement agency in the state of San Andreas. We will have to have a continuance for the portion of this trial which concerns Mr. Scott. I just want to make sure that both parties acknowledge that. Both parties also have the right to a continuance, as well as the LSPD has a right to a continuance in this case, and will be allotted one if the Lieutenant C, since you are here on behalf of the LSPD, I'd like to ask her, are you prepared to continue today with his absence, or would you need a continuance in the case?
No, Your Honor, I would like to proceed.
Very well. Mr. Mall, acting as legal counsel for the plaintiff, the stand is yours for your opening arguments. Keep in mind, this is strictly for determination of the LSPD's fault in the matter as well, not in the matter of Mr. Scott, being as Mr. Scott is not here to represent himself.
We understand, Your Honor. May I approach, sir?
You may.
What is he doing? I want to know what's going on.
Lieutenant Steve.
I can't sit down.
Yes, Your Honor.
It is my understanding that you do not. Correction. It is my understanding that you are not a licensed lawyer or a licensed member of the Bar Association of the San Andreas DOJ. Is this correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, you are able to represent the LSPD here, if the LSPD so wishes for you to. There's no penalty of that by this court, as you are free, as the LSPD is free to any legal representation in which they may seek. However, this court must advise and caution you in acting on this behalf as not being a licensed lawyer or licensed member of the bar of the Department of Justice for the state of San Andreas. Your agreeance to this means that your lack of knowledge in legal proceedings cannot be used by the LSPD as a motion for a dismissal of this case based off of that after proceedings have been ruled.
I understand, Your Honor.
Commissioner, I need you to acknowledge that, as well as the acting commissioner of law enforcement currently.
Yes, Your Honor. I do understand.
Very well. Commissioner Smith, do you also understand these risks opposed to the LSPD?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let the record show that both parties, let the record show that LSPD Commissioner as well as LSPD Legal Counsel have agreed and accepted the risks that this representation may carry. With that being said, Mr. Mall, you are free to continue.
Your Honor, we would like to ask our first witness to take the stand.
You talk louder.
Mr. Mall, if you're speaking.
Yeah, sorry. We would. Sorry. We would like to ask that our first witness take the stand.
Your Honor, I would suggest getting into your judge's chamber.
Yeah, this court's going to be in recess until this is settled.
Hey, everybody get to a fucking safe place around here, please.
Yeah, there were shots outside. Oh.
My vehicle.
Oh my god.
What did you do to my vehicle?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Okay.
Oh,
Sorry.
shit.
Alright.
You, check for evidence.
Yeah.
This is definitely targeted.
Hey,
Yeah.
could you guys just step back away from here? Just conduct the, scene really quick.
Alright.
Sir,
Alright.
I'll, if you need to, I'll help make
This
a
is
statement
fucked.
through
This
insurance
is
company.
fucked.
I'm not on birth control, so you'll have to pull out.
I love the comments that AI makes.
Need that promotion.
Did you get anything on that?
Yeah, I got something on the ground. I need to take it into MRPD.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, if you want to run forensics, I can handle this for now. If
Okay.
anything happens, I'll request a recess.
Alright,
to
I'll be
contact
right back then. Whose cars are all these? Oh, that's his. Someone hit mine. How come C4 these? Was it C4? I just want to see what it comes back. Because that's weird if it's C4. Alright. Michael Parsons. Close clear. I'm gonna need to type down that phone number. 8835087. Alright. Hello. This is Commissioner. Yeah, we're investigating right now. But the coast is clear for now. There's, the lawyer's car blew up.
Okay, are you investigating or are we clear to continue? What do we do?
I'll be back there in just 1 second. I'm analyzing something at the moment, but I'll be back and we should be able to proceed. Hello. Okay, well don't. It's weird that it shows up a bullet casing. What happened to my car? Oh, it's off right. Who's 115, are you on radio? Dang it. Steve, answer the flippin' radio.
It's Mama. I knew it was you. I finally got one of those phones that shows the number of who's calling. You know I don't like it, but it sure is convenient. So why did you call me? Hey,
Come on, Steve, answer the phone.
Even I want to take a car now that I've seen you walking around.
Hello? Hey, is Steve the officer with you? No, good.
Hello?
Hello, is the officer Steve there with you? Oh, I didn't know if you were around him or not. He's just not picking up his cell phone.
I'll check for him.
Alright, thank you. If so, can you just tell him to hop on radio 1 for me?
Here he is. Hold on. I got him for you.
Alright, thank you.
Go.
Hey, there was just some shrapnel that picked up. It had some explosive stuff on it, but no fingerprints because it was exploded.
10-4. There is a video camera out front, but it's got a jumbled up recording. I'm not sure if you can take a look at it or not.
Yeah, I'll take a look at it because it would have been triggered by the shots fired notification.
10-4. Yeah, it's gonna be as you approach the front door. It's gonna be to your right on the right wing of the building.
Hey, Brim. All right. Right wing of the building. What do you mean, right wing of the building? Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this recording. This should get it. If it's angled properly, this should get exactly what happened. Play. Oh. I want to see the vehicle blow up. It was an 8-minute recording. Oh, it got hit. What the heck? Oh, it blew up. That's what it was. And then we came out. Yep. Alright, yep. Hey, this video footage, I stopped the recording on it. There was another footage, but it was something else. That man in that white suit in there was around the vehicle and he ran from the vehicle. And then he came in, he went inside the courthouse.
10-4, he's not in here anymore.
Alright.
We have 2 witnesses, Your Honor. The officers don't know how to say his last name, and it's Commissioner Smith.
All right, figures both parties are back here.
325, 10-8.
Mr. Smith, could you please approach the stand?
10-4. Coming to the
Yes.
big house.
Mr. Smith, please
hey,
raise your right hand and repeat after me.
10-4.
Stand by. What's up?
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. You're being called to the witness stand for
Oh,
testimony.
okay. Gotcha. Well, can you wait 1 second?
Yeah. Mr. Mall, please.
Do you know where that man in the white suit?
Deal with
I have no idea.
a recent
Okay.
bombing.
You guys don't know his name?
No.
No.
I don't know.
why
Read
he was here.
read the sign that was right there. It says right there. You see it? Right there. Maybe that's the guy that was sitting right next to him.
Ah.
That walked in with him.
Well, now we know
Stop,
who he
Officer
is.
Smith. Can you need something?
I don't know. Maybe look at Twitter.
What's on Twitter?
Mr. Smith, are you ready to proceed?
There's nothing on Twitter. What are you talking about?
There's nothing on Twitter. The individual that sat there posted his face on Twitter, sir.
Oh. Oh, you're right. You're right. Okay. Yes, I am ready to proceed.
Your Honor, that's Mr. Shell Scott right there.
Great.
Commissioner, give me just a moment. Mr. Scott.
This is unacceptable, Your Honor.
Mr. Scott.
None. Hello?
Can hear you.
Mr. Scott, you were summoned to appear before this court approximately 31 minutes ago.
Yeah. Protection of person from undue burden and expense. I was trying to find a babysitter. Since I had such short notice on this.
Very well, it is your duty and obligation to inform this court when such instances do occur, which you did fail to do.
Okay.
Mr. Smith, could you please reapproach the stand?
Yep.
What?
Could you raise your hand and repeat after me?
Yep.
I state your name.
I, Adam Smith,
Do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that the testimony I am about to give
that the testimony I'm about to give
is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So
the
help
whole
me God.
truth, nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Farewell. You may lower
Farewell.
your right
You
hand
may
and
lower-
take a seat.
Oh.
You can stop repeating me.
Okay.
You can lower your hand and take a seat on the witness stand
Which is that over
to
there?
the left of me.
Can you speak up, Commission?
Yes. Sorry. Glad that wasn't over the whole courtroom what I said.
Very well. Mr. Mall, you may continue with your examination of the witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. Commissioner, can you state what you do for the department?
Currently, I'm the acting commissioner of the law enforcement. Since our commissioner is out on leave for an IA investigation, but usually I'm the deputy commissioner, sir.
Okay, and what does the deputy commissioner role do? What do you do on a daily basis as the assistant
I'm
commissioner,
kind
deputy
of the
commissioner?
commissioner's butt buddy. We handle most of the higher up stuff of trying to hire people, kind of keeping the department running smooth, making sure our supervisors are doing what they're supposed to do. Stuff like that, sir. And an overseeing of all the department.
Can you repeat that?
Yes, we kind of oversee the department. I'm kind of the commissioner's butt buddy, so me and him work hand in hand together, overseeing day-to-day operations and doing more management stuff behind the scenes that not normal officers do.
Alrighty. And sorry, sir.
No problem.
Do you have any recollection on the date of 7/20/2022?
That was last Wednesday. Wait,
Right.
yes, that was last Wednesday.
Did you hear Officer Shell Scott read my client, Mr. Gallus's rights?
No, I did not, sir, but, never mind. No, I did not.
Did you hear Mr. Shell Scott say that it was your guys' fault for not reading Mr. Gallus's rights?
Yes, I did.
Can you please phrase how he said that?
This was a week ago, but it was along the lines of what you just said, of that he wasn't made aware that we did not read him his rights, and he was only putting him in the back of the police car and transferring him to the prison, or sorry, the jail, the station to be booked.
Okay. And were you the arresting officer?
I was not.
Can you please tell me who was the arresting officer of this scene?
That I am a little blurry on, so I'm not really sure.
Mr. Maul, does the defense have a copy of the arrest report on that day that they can provide the witness to refresh his memory?
Yes, we do. May I
You mean
please
the-
give it to him?
The
Could
case
this report
report.
also be provided to me?
Yes. May I approach?
You may.
And let me grab it off of here.
Thank you, Mr. Maul.
There you go. Here you go.
Thank you. All right. 1 second so I can read this over. All right. So we are involved. Person had flown the scene of an accident that he had called the police to. Then was in possession of a stolen blue Chevy. They called that he then called 911 to meet an officer where he just reported a box on scene where it rammed the police officer and was removed from the vehicle when the suspect ran into a wall. Oh yeah, I remember this. Okay. I believe that this was yeah.
Mr. Smith, are you refreshed on this matter?
Yes. Was I speaking this whole time?
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
Great. Sorry. I was personally, I have to talk things out in my head.
Very well.
That is
If you're
all right, sir.
refreshed, Mr. Maul, you may continue.
Commissioner, can you please read the top right that says submitted by? Who was the officer that was submitted by?
325 Shell Scott, sir.
Please can you please read the law enforcement involved in that?
325 Shell Scott, 104 Jamal Raja, 101 Edwin Smith, and 115 Lieutenant Steven. No. Yeah.
Sir, how do you say your last name?
Svein.
Svein.
Sven. Yeah. Svein.
All right, we have no more. Oh, actually, sorry, Your Honor. One more question: is there a standard operation procedure that tells that that says that an officer must read the individual his rights?
Are you asking me?
Yes, sir.
In our standard operating procedures, we included that once booking someone, arresting someone, anyone that is placed into cuffs that is not detained but is going to jail must be read their rights at some point in time, generally before we ask them any questions about what was going on.
Okay, and again, you did hear Mr. Shell Scott say that he did not read the individual his rights.
Correct.
Okay, no further questions, Your Honor.
Very well. Before we allow cross-examination, Mr. Steve, you advised you had a documentation to appear with?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. What is this documentation concerning?
This is an affirmation form on behalf of Officer Scott for his tardiness today. Yeah.
A copy of this report.
Yes. Could you also apply that to him?
Absolutely.
Is everything okay? I heard someone's panic button go off.
And I heard a tornado. Thank you.
are, sir. You should have that too.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Judge? Judge?
Your Honor.
Stand by for a moment. We may have to. Go ahead, Mr. Mall.
Sorry, just making sure you're all right.
Yes. Due to a
Oh fucking hell!
we're gonna take a short recess. If everyone could just stand by for a moment. Mr. Mall, could I get you to appear in my chambers, please?
Yes, sir.
Do I stay here?
You're free to return to your seat. I'll
Okay.
witness now.
What about our cross?
Hey.
All right.
Yes, yeah.
What's up?
Well.
Yeah, you know, when you serve a subpoena, you have to make sure you give ample time and stuff like that. Yeah, where is our representative for LSPD? Oh, yeah, so this is just totally botched against us. That's awesome.
The whole courtroom can hear you, Scott.
Oh, I know. I know.
Yeah, the entire
I mean, the court's kind of fucking going against us right here, you know. Apparently we have nobody in city to fucking fight for the LSPD. And then our judge over here, I have never seen this judge before in my life. So.
Sex profanity.
Oh well.
All right, this court will be re-adjourning. Just to inform everybody of the court, the plaintiff, Mr. Gallows, due to an unforeseen circumstance, out of head, has had to leave us for a little while. We will continue. Just be aware, any examination of him as a witness will have to have a continuance done on it and will not be able to be done at this moment. Mr. Smith, could you please reapproach the stand?
Your Honor, the outburst by by Officer Shell Scott is really unacceptable here.
Excuse you?
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Adam Smith,
Do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that the testimony I am about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
that the testimony I'm about to give is the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
You may lower your right hand and take a seat in the witness stand. At this time, representation from LSPD is allowed to cross-examine Mr. Smith.
Yes, Your Honor. And let it be known that I do not practice law, nor am I qualified by any bar exam or licensor in the state. That I'm just speaking on behalf of the LSPD and the police force in general here in the state of San Andreas.
Yes, this has already been documented within this court. Thank you for restating.
All right, Commish. I've only got one question for you.
All right.
Would you not agree that the evening of the 20th provided some degree of violent natured incident, and that perhaps Officer Scott had been put in a situation where he would kind of fall under a qualified immunity, meaning that in the performance of his duty, the situation was to him so extreme that not all of his faculties were there to be used properly and in accordance with SOP of the state of San Andreas and Los Santos Police Department. Would you not agree that the instance that evening provided some degree of extreme extreme incidents that would cause that within him.
The whole not agree thing, I don't know. I understand your question, but I think you're phrasing it in a way that I'm gonna be confused to answer.
No,
I
I'm
don't.
just asking you if you agree that
Your Honor, we would like
what
to
happened
let
that
the
night.
guy continue his statement, sir.
You're objecting. What are your objections?
Well, as well as the outburst by the
Oh my
Mr. Shell
God.
Scott over there. We would like the witness to
I'll look
continue
at it.
his statement as he was interrupted.
Very well. Mr. Scott, I'm going to ask you to remain quiet in this court until it is your turn to speak to this court. You're already on thin ice with this court due to your late
my
nature
gosh.
of arrival to this case and
Someone
failure
gets
to let the
kicked
court know
out.
the
I
reasoning
swear.
for that
I would die
beforehand.
laughing.
Please keep any and all outbursts to yourself until it is your time to speak before this court. Mr. Steve, I'm going to ask that you rephrase the question in a way that the witness is able to understand and give a proper response.
Okay. Commissioner, would you agree, rather, that the incidents that happened on the 20th with Mr. Gallows and myself, you, and Mr. Scott would have provided a degree of operational tempo that would have been a lot higher for us with regards to extreme circumstance and use of force tactics, things of that nature that may have robbed us of some faculties when following standard operating procedures?
I would have to say that I am very on the line of yes and no, but I will have to go that yes, there was a very action-packed night of a lot of criminals.
Yes, sir. I don't have anything further for Commissioner Smith, Your Honor.
Very well. Mr. Scott, you are now able to cross-examine the witness. You may approach.
Mr. Smith, is it true that a CI informed us that Mr. Gallus was hunting me personally?
I believe I am confused about the case because I thought that was later in time.
What is this question?
I'm going to withstand to your... I'm going to allow your objection to this. The question does not pertain to the
I'm trying to
situation
build a
which we're...
character base. Close.
My client is
Very
not the
well.
one
Mr.
that is-
Gallows is not on trial here, though.
This lawsuit is about how my client should have been read his rights no matter the situation while being transported to the station and while being in lockup. He was not read his rights at all.
When was this?
That is why we are here, Your Honor.
Very well. Just to reiterate, the court case filed before this court was on the
I
grounds that the plaintiff's Miranda rights were not read to him, resulting in a violation of the plaintiff's Fifth Amendment right protected under the U.S. Constitution.
Can I just plead guilty to this? Like, we were stressed out, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you have any further questions for the witness, or?
Nah, I'm good.
Very well. Mr. Mall, do you have any cross-referencing or corrections?
I am honestly confused because I thought it was when we boxed him.
Do you have any
and
further
arrested him.
cross-examination of the
But
witness?
this seems to be.
Yes, Your Honor, may I?
It
You may.
was. It was the same exact night. That was after the fact.
Commissioner Smith,
Yes, sir.
do you believe that my client's rights, his constitutional rights, were violated?
To be honest, sir, I'm not a law junkie, so I've not read the whole Constitution or all of that. So, yes, we didn't read him his rights, and I'm pretty sure that's in the Constitution, but I don't believe that we did anything else wrong.
Mr. Mall, I'm gonna object to the question in which you just asked. The trial is for us to be able to make that determination, for the court to be able to make that determination, and is not up to the commissioner here to make that determination. So therefore, I'm gonna order this court to omit that from the record, and I will not be using the question and answer that was just provided there for my judgment on this case.
All right, Your Honor, we have no further questions.
Very well.
Thank God.
Mr. Scott, do either of you have a further cross of the witness after the plaintiff's legal counsel?
I don't have a cross of the witness, Your Honor. I would just like to make a statement for the court. For
Very well. We
everybody.
will save statements for the end here.
Okay.
Very well. All right. If there's no further questions, Mr. Smith, you are free to return to your seat and adjourn from the witness stand. This time, does the plaintiff's legal counsel have any further witnesses they wish to call? Mr. Mall?
Yes, Your Honor. Officer Steve.
Very well. Lieutenant, please approach the bench. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
I'm so confused on where we're
Hi,
at.
Steve Swain.
What was
You
it?
solemnly swear
I don't even know
Solemnly
what this
swear.
is about.
that the testimony
This is
I'm about
when
to
we...
report
Yeah,
before
that's
this
why
court
I
is
was
the truth, the
confused
whole
too.
truth, and nothing but
This
the
is
truth.
when we boxed
Your Honor,
him
the
in.
witness and the individual are talking to each
I'm
other
talking to my boss.
about
Mr.
the
Scott,
situation.
This is
Please
when we boxed him in at Power Street at
Mr. Scott,
125.
I've asked for you to keep any and all comments proceeding to this to yourself while this case is going on. Any further
Your Honor, I'm just
disruptions
trying to
of
get a
this-
basis of what date this was and what incident this was. Because, we go through this daily with Mr. Gallows, so I was trying to get a reference.
Okay,
from my
very
boss.
well. You can ask this court for that, but we will not allow any further disruptions. Any further disruptions caused by you will result in you being held in
Jesus
contempt of court. Do you understand
Christ.
Yeah, but I was whispering to my boss. I don't know how Mr. Mall heard me. Sorry.
Oh, yeah,
that?
yeah.
Let's see if we're going to start over with that again. Your right hand is still raised. Please repeat after me. I state your name.
Hi, Steve Swain.
Do solemnly swear that the testimony I'm about to give to this court is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
You solemnly swear that the testimony I'm about to give to this court is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
You may take it. Mr. Muller,
Hello.
you may proceed with your question.
Thank you, Your Honor. Lieutenant, can you please tell me what you do for the LSPD? Or
Sir,
the LEO division, sorry.
I am a lieutenant in law enforcement in the state, and some of my roles and responsibilities and, initiating temp watch commander when the commissioner and vice are not in, and registrar for the law enforcement.
Lot. Lieutenant, are you the supervisor of Officer Shell Scott?
Yes, sir.
Were you the supervisor in charge of the scene with my client?
Yes, sir.
Did Mr. Shell Scott tell you that he did not read my client, Lucas Gallows' rights?
I can't recall him telling me directly that he did not read his rights that evening, sir.
Did Mr. Shell Scott blame you or any other officer because he did not read Mr. Gallus's rights?
No, sir, not to my knowledge.
And just to make sure, there is an SOP that says that all officers must read their rights.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When during this whole scene, when is that supposed to take place? If that makes sense.
It's either when apprehension of the suspect is made, or when they're placed in the car for.
Totally
Did
not
you
take
stay the whole time during the
selfie
whole
right
scene?
now.
There were a lot of moving parts, but yes, I tried to
Not
remember.
gonna lie, kind of BS because he made the SOP.
Any of the actions.
I don't know.
That night, sir.
Agreed. After my client, Mr. Gallus, was taken into custody, he was put inside of a vehicle. Was any officer in distress?
At that time, I do not believe there were.
Was there an active emergency while my client was in the car?
Yes, there was a shootout on Occupation Boulevard that
I don't remember
happened between us and your client. And in that shootout, when the vehicle was coming to a stop that he was operating, it had no tires. It was steaming.
That was afterwards. We're all confused about what's going on.
That's where
Oh my gosh.
come from. Maybe not in the form of physical distress, but
I don't believe that was my question, sir.
Mhm.
My question was while Mr. Gallus was inside the police car.
Putting my hand up.
I don't believe so. No.
Okay. How long does it usually take you guys to book a
Oh my
criminal?
gosh.
It takes a while. There's reports that are required to be filed. Information has to be gathered. If there's evidence from the scene, it has to be placed in the file as well as in the evidence locker.
Because that was at 11:10. Because I have a recording of that. That was at 11:10, and oh good. And the scene before that was submitted
So it does take some time, sir.
Okay. I know you guys are busy people.
at 8:40.
So I won't ask much more
So
questions.
So confused.
Were you also transporting Mr. Gallows with Officer Shell Scott?
Yeah, like we're all talking about the scene where he logged out at the garage, and it was the scene that when we boxed him in.
For us to provide immediate transport.
Okay. Were you at the station when my client was booked?
No, sir. I was still on patrol from the station.
All right. Thank you, Lieutenant. Thank you for your time. Your Honor, we have no further questions.
Very well, thank you, Mr. Mom. Receive. Since
Yes, sir.
the regarding this happening, you'll be allowed to do so after questioning by Mr. Scott. Furthermore, Mr. Scott, do you have any cross-examination for the witness?
Yes, Your Honor. Was Mr. Gallows unconscious when we put the cuffs on him?
Honestly, I can't recall.
This is great.
when we did
No one
this.
can recall anything.
Okay, because
Why wasn't this in the report?
that's all, Your Honor.
Very well. Receive. I'm going to allow you to make any statement you need the LSPD concerning your witness testimony.
Yes, Your Honor. Honestly, with what happened that evening on the 20th, I think it's safe to say that that incident in the report, if it reflects even at all, was a pretty extreme circumstance of response tactics used by the officers to engage Mr. Gallows that night. I believe that the Mirandizing kind of, while it was supposed to happen, I believe Officer Scott, operating under a qualified immunity,
This is great.
should be protected under the exclusionary rule when it comes to the Mirandizer that evening, in that fact that he did feel threatened, that the CI had informed officers, multiple officers of the department that night, that the plaintiff was in fact making threats towards Officer Scott that evening, and the only reason we
That was
initiated
before that, though.
going after him that
Or
night,
that was after the scene.
so there was
This
a
court
reasonable
case is completely
expectation
messed up
would be a threat
because
of
this person that is suing got arrested twice in one night. And we're talking about the one that happened later, but he's suing for the one that happened before. And so it is a total mess.
Possibly going to be attacked violently and physically. So tempo was high, the operational stress was there.
Oh my
and
gosh.
That's really all that I can say about that evening, Your Honor, and court.
I would love to have a statement. Do I get a statement?
Mr. Mall, any further?
Oh, Your Honor.
Very well, Miss Sheeb, you can step away from the witness stand now.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Do I get a statement? Do I get a statement? Was that a yes? I think that's a yes. And he just do an emote thumbs up. Actually, I would do that. He might contempt you or put you in contempt of court for that.
Your Honor, are you okay?
Oh my god. Your Honor! Hope he's not having a stroke. He looks like he might be that age. Oh. Well.
Your Honor?
Did he have to leave too? Well, so William's the one that is suing, and he had to leave for a fire call a few minutes ago.
Need food? I have extra.
So I'm wondering if he got called out to the fire call. Yeah, we have no idea. So, yeah. Yeah.
Well, we're just gonna do a continuance later on.
I mean, is there even a point? Basically just...
Yeah, I know.
Hold on, I got this. Where's my music at? What happened to my music? Oh.
How am I not able to open this, by the way? Do I have to be higher?
I don't know. It's weird.
Hey, Mr. Mall.
Door's open.
This is it? Oh.
You gotta be smarter than the door.
What doesn't work? Did you request
it's
something?
easier
I'm doing restream, so I wasn't. Oh, what did you do? Oh, look for Larry. Yeah, I don't have that one enabled. I need to get that fixed. You're right. We will be right back after these words from our sponsors. Don't go anywhere.
Subscribe so I don't have to pay for fucking ads. You haven't been in this city long enough.
Hold on, I got this. I got this.
Swear to God. Can I hold our boss in contempt?
I should have fixed Plex.
I don't think we should, because then I got it.
Good choice in music.
Shut up.
What are you gonna do about it?
I don't know what to do.
I see you out there.
Any recommendations, ladies and gentlemen?
Threat from an officer.
No, I just said I'll see you out there. Oh, I'm very confused. Who's his boss?
Okay. At this time, we'll have a recess of undetermined time. The judge had a heart attack and has been transported to Pillbox Hill Medical Center. So please keep him in his prayers. And your prayers, not his prayers. Well, he's going to need the prayers. You understand what I mean. So we will continue. You all will get an email when. Thank you, everybody.
Can we make sure I'm
On the email,
actually-
yes.
okay?
We'll make sure
Thank
you're
you.
on the email this time.
Thank you. Oh, anyway, can you send me a car?
You want a car?
So.
Yeah.
Come here.
After you didn't hold up your end of the bar.
Yeah, can we use the judge's chambers?
Yeah, we'll go to the jury room.
Yeah. We talked to
Hey!
dude.
Steve! So, you know, you were talking about the complete wrong scene, right?
Open this.
No.
It was the
What
scene of
fucking scene is this?
when we boxed him in. Remember when we
Yeah.
boxed him in at 125?
That's what I'm talking about. He fled that fucking scene.
No, he didn't. What do you
Oh,
mean?
Shit, he didn't.
Is
When
this
we boxed him in? When we boxed him in at 125? What are you talking about?
At
This wasn't
one-
the sting op.
No. The sting op was later.
Just you. It's when he just requested you, and we all surrounded him in the Escalades.
Yeah,
Or
he
not the
requested
Escalades.
someone, and then Jamal kind of went over early. And then we all surrounded
Oh,
him,
this was
and he
down-
started
this
ramming
was-
back and forth, and he hit a wall and knocked himself out.
Okay, everything I said still applies. He's a violent offender.
Well, yeah, there
already
is
knew
that, yeah, but you were talking about... So, I looked it up on
I
my
was
body
talking about
cam.
that fucking night.
Yeah, that night was literally 3 hours after he was placed in cuffs. He must have got bail or something. So,
Damn.
yeah.
That's why I couldn't remember what the fuck.
Yeah, that's what I'm
happened on
saying.
scene,
Everybody's
because I'm
confused
on
on
the
what's
wrong
going
scene.
on. Yeah. I was very confused too until like I was starting to put
Honestly.
like the charges together. Yeah, it was very confusing.
Yeah. Honestly, this should be dismissed
Yeah.
because the LSPD doesn't have legal representation. None of us are qualified to provide any cross-examination. Or
I
statements
haven't
in
read the
court.
Constitution, and this man's asking me about the Constitution, bro. Like, yes, I'm the commissioner, and I haven't read the Constitution, but that's besides the point.
Look, all you need
You
to
do
know
realize
is
our
not kill
SLP
people.
rolls around the Constitution, right?
Oh, am I fine?
All you
then?
need to know
Hmm.
is not kill people unjustly.
Exactly.
So just
Well-
just wait until they're facing you.
Perfect. Then there.
No, no three caps in the back.
But more importantly, I provided the judge with what Scott would have fallen under at that time: qualified
Yeah.
immunity and the exclusionary rule. The dude just performed a fucking attempted vehicular manslaughter.
Yeah.
We were amped the fuck up.
Yeah.
Like, we were ready to go. There is a qualified immunity there. There was a reasonable threat to fucking public safety at that point.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if the fucking suspect was down. Any response from officers in that state is going to be in fucking protection of their life. So, I mean, you gotta fucking have a reasonable expectation of a scene like that.
Yeah.
So I sent him that information before he took off. I don't know if he had a chance to read it or not, but that's on the judge. But
All right. Yeah.
honestly,
Well,
without
hopefully-
proper legal counsel, this case can't be fucking tried right now.
Yeah.
Like, legitimately, there is no legality the court stands on right now because the LSPD cannot be afforded a public defense.
Very true.
That's why I was telling Smith in his emails. I was like,
So these guys literally fucked themselves by subpoenaing me.
Yeah.
They could have
Hey,
won. They can't win this legally because they subpoenaed me as well. So they cannot legally win this case because the LSPD and the state
Thank you,
are
Clark,
not being
for
provided legal
the 500. Is that 500
by
bits?
force. This is by force because
Thank
I've been
you.
subpoenaed.
For the bits.
I'm the only fucking legal counsel
Yeah.
somewhere else. Some other dude. I don't know that guy. Fuck that guy. He's an asshole.
I don't know.
yeah.
Hey,
But
yeah.
I've got shit to do.
Me too. All right. I'll see you out there.
Yep.
That door needs to be locked.
Under what?
What?
Who should have a key for it?
Huh?
All
Well,
of us.
like all of us, yeah.
It used to. So
Okay.
Is that... Someone hit my car. Did someone hit my car?
I don't know, but why the fuck are you the only one that gets the new FPIU? What the hell?
They're in the vehicle shop. Go use them. And they have BCSO. See you at the station.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. What do you need a recommendation on? Anti-cheat? Yeah, we don't currently have an anti-cheat. Should probably get one, but we currently don't. What's up?
You wouldn't happen to be with Shell still, would you?
No, he left. Why? Or I'm in my car.
Okay, because he wanted me at midnight and his ass still ain't here.
Well, I
Alright,
don't
well,
know. We just left,
when do you
so.
want to take care of this whole talking that we have to get done with?
It's a good question. Why don't you come down to the station?
Alright,
We can figure it out. Alright. Yeah, some of them are really expensive. I saw one that was like an AI, so it like learns. And it was like some ridiculous amount a month. Yeah. For sure. Alright. Oh, I need to fix that. I need to clean. Oh, I forgot to tell Mr. Steve that they're different now. Why is this still like this? I'm gonna have to put this in, put it back out. We could get a... Oh! Hello. Hello.
Hi. Oops, wrong card. Back.
Yeah, I don't know why the names are not working.
Ooh, right car.
Oh my gosh. Bruh. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Is this the blue model? I don't think so, because it has window tint on it. Nope. Has window tint on it. Dang it! Okay, that's the one I want. What? I bought it, didn't I? It took money from me. Okay, I think this one's it. It's 1952. I'm gonna name these flippin' keys, bro. It's my house keys. 1952. Oh, shoot. 1952. Shoot. Alright. Shoot fly, don't bother me. Shoot fly, don't bother me. Alright, I like that the best. That looks sexy. It's a boat, but it's sexy. Alright. Now I need to go get my uniform. Alright, I need to... There we go. You know what? We should go BCSO. Is it Friday? It's not Friday yet. But we'll wear this. Because why not? Thanks for the 500 bits again. Much appreciated.
Yeah, so,
What's that?
that is not the meta I did.
Oh yeah, it's because it's blue. I'll have to fix it.
Gotcha. Yeah, the meta I did, you're gonna fucking love it compared to this fucking shit.
Alright, let's get in here. Now go get you a coffee. I doubt that's... Doubt that's enough for me to get a coffee. Alrighty. Oh crap. I need to just speak to Dixie. Where are you at?
I'm still at midnight. Fucking Shell is taking his sweet ass time. He's supposed to be here any minute.
Yeah,
and I'll head that
he
way.
just pulled in. Can you get me window tint on my Tahoe?
Yeah, are you here right now?
Yeah.
Alright, I got you.
Which one?
Just hop out, I'll take care of it. Are you wants window tint?
Oh, I'm in the wrong uniform. Yeah. I'm in the wrong uniform. Not
Officer!
not pure black, no. Go down.
Dark.
Go
Is that
down
good?
one more. You turn the lights on in the back.
Flip the...
There you go.
button.
Yeah, that's
There you
good. That's good. Mm-mm.
Oh.
You're good, consider that one on the house.
Oh, bet.
Maybe. Now, what do you want?
Okay. Alright. Well, I'm not on radio. 101 show me back 10-8. Oh, I need to go to the flippin'... I'm gonna set up my stream and reinstall Coldware. Nice. No, just different tones.
Hello?
Hey, where are you at?
At midnight?
Got a question for you.
What's up?
So yesterday I was on patrol with a robot that Jamal assigned me, apparently. Anyways, someone sniped it from a building.
Okay.
So I went up to the building and I got the shell casings. They came back to a Dixie Normus. So I filled out a warrant for him. When we talked briefly, he said that he was at midnight all night. I don't know really what to do with that. I was gonna ask your expertise.
Well, we can't confirm the shooter?
We knew that he left in a black Cliffhanger bike, which Mr. Dixie owns. We don't have a plate on it. And the guy was wearing all black.
I mean, if we can't positively confirm identity, then...
Yeah.
Not only that, he took a shot at a robot.
Yeah.
So, I mean, destruction of property infraction, maybe. But
Yeah.
it's not like attempted murder, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think the warrant was in for, what was it?
It was
firing a firearm
charge.
Yeah,
firearm charge and destruction of government property. Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah.
But I mean, like I said, if we can't positively 100% ID him, I mean, even if it was his bike, anybody could have fucking snaked it. So.
All right.
I wouldn't
That's what I thought.
fucking go to this. Yeah, I wouldn't want to go to this court with a lack of evidence.
Yeah.
Jesus fucking
Are you
Christ.
trying to get in my vehicle?
No.
Okay.
Come on, fuckhead.
I'm gonna be petty. (101), show me on a 1011, 225 Vespucci Boulevard. No 32s needed.
10-4, do you need additional?
10-4, negative.
Copy.
Sorry, negative. Oh.
Hey, firm.
Can you roll the window down, sir? You know the reason for the stop?
Hell no.
Alright, my name is Commissioner Smith with the Blaine County Sheriff's Office. You were... That's very nice that you're recording me. Is this for TikTok? Do you want me to do a TikTok dance? Okay, anyways, you were going 45 and a 35. Any reason for that?
Nope.
Okay. Can I get some license, registration, proof of insurance? Alright, Mr. Whittleman. Don't I know you?
I wouldn't want to know you.
Thought we crossed paths. Maybe not. Okay. I'll be right back with you.
I heard a judge might be back in town. I gotta go see him.
Alright. Spencer Whittleman.
Sir, 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 sir.
Yes.
There's... Oh,
The
Never mind.
blimp?
nothing. It was there.
Yeah, the blimp. I saw it.
Okay.
Remain in your vehicle, please. Spencer Whittleman. Clear. You have 2 firearms license. Oh. Huh. Jesus Christ. Oh, he's a felon. He's not able to have these. And he has unpaid fines. Alright. What is the vehicle plate on this? UKTT. Alright. What the? What kind of vehicle is this?
I have no fucking clue.
Really?
Why is that?
Just need to fill it out in our report.
I honestly have no clue. Here, hold on. Let me look it up. It is a Ingus. IGNUS.
Boss man, about a 180.
Sir, you were standing in poop.
What? Hey, I'm on a traffic stop right now. I'll call you right back.
I do.
Come on, add the flipping car photo. Alright. Alright, sir. You know you have $8,000 in fines unpaid that are on, overdue.
Oh, yes, I see that now.
Oh yes, I see that now. Also, since you're a felon, I went ahead and removed your 2 firearms licenses.
I have a firearm license.
You had 2 of them, actually. I'm not really sure how. Do you have any firearms in the vehicle that I should know about?
Oh, actually.
Okay, perfect. Alright, so make sure you get those fines done. I'm not going to be that kind of guy.
10-7, smoke break.
But I am going to go ahead and, get you for that speeding.
Okay.
So...
Yeah, lady, keep it walking. Keep it walking now. Keep it walking. I don't want to talk to you.
Sir, keep your voice down.
We met at the bar last night.
She was talking to me, honey.
You don't even remember? We had sex in your car.
Oh, I didn't have sex with you.
Uh-huh.
I can't believe it.
Alright, sir, I'm gonna go ahead and write up that report. If you could... Dang it. I stepped in rat poop. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and write up this report. You're free to go. Make sure to pay those fines, alright?
Oh, you're not searching the vehicle. Okay.
10-9 that traffic.
115 is going at 10-7, 42 for the evening. I'll be right back though.
10-4, back to LEO?
Maybe.
10-4. Alright. Vespucci Boulevard. Brief description, speeding 10 plus. Charges. Nine miles over, 7 days to pay. Okay. 101, show me back code 4108 off of 1011. Alrighty. That intersection is confusing. There's only 4 people in the city. Dead or alive, I'm wanted, dead or alive, wanted, dead or alive. Hey man, just got on my driver's side, what's up?
Do you still eat?
No, we're good. No, I cleared it up.
So I don't have a warrant out for
No,
me anymore.
you're good.
Okay. Alright, man. Appreciate you.
Yep. Oh, well, I gotta do that right now. Alright. Alright, where are we, Bolo? Okay. Oh, apparently I'm not active. No, it's good. What the hell? I'm don't know. 101, show me en route. Latest 911.
Three two five back tonight.
What's going on, sir? Hello?
Hey man, I'm sorry to call again. Oh,
Sorry to call again.
I'm sorry to bother you again. The fence is in my parking spot, sir.
I see that. You want to grab an end and then we can push?
Yeah.
Oh. You gotta kick it! crap.
Here. Hold on.
Why is there a trash can right here?
What are you two doing to my fence?
It's in his parking spot, so he wants to move it.
It ain't work.
Fine, 1 second.
You midnight people are crazy.
Go ahead and back up for me. Fixed it.
Thank you, man.
Have a good day. Glad I could serve and protect you.
Hey, man.
Yeah.
Can you turn on the lights really quick?
Why? See?
Okay,
Hello?
never mind. I think my eyes were just a little messed up there.
Are they fine now?
Yeah.
I had these
I
on
believe it's-
earlier.
I believe it's a mixture of when other people have a vehicle out and when the same vehicle. It made no sense. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Sir, my door won't close in my car. Is there a reason why?
Did you try to shut it?
Yes.
Right.
Oh, there we go.
You got it.
Okay, gonna go work at the Fleet Bank now. You have a nice day.
You work at the Fleeca Bank? Hello.
What?
You work at the Fleeca Bank?
Yes, sir, I do.
Ew.
What'd you say?
You want some mustard?
No, sir.
It's quite delicious. I'm on it. 5K? What do you mean? Oh, yeah, cool. Thank you. Thank you for that. I'm on it.
Sir, can I have a weapon?
What? No.
I work at security over there. I need a weapon.
Well, you should have thought about that before you got a felony tacked on to you.
Okay, can I have a baton?
Yes.
I can have a baton.
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you positive?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
If you can buy one, you can get one. Dude, it's crazy. Does that guy come around a lot? Hello? Does that guy
What's up,
come?
boss man?
Does that guy come around a lot?
To be honest, this is the first time I've seen him.
Okay, because he's a little weird.
A little? That's
Okay.
an understatement. He was trying to move a fence with his mind.
True. Very true. You know, I'm gonna go check on him. Jesus Christ.
I got that front desk.
Alright, thank you. It did all alive. I'm on it. What?
You may enter the bank.
Okay. Thank you.
325-101.
Go for 1-1.
Are you available for a sit right along?
Yeah, A-firm, you know who it is?
1 sec.
There.
Yeah,
Mr. Everstar?
A-firm,
This is
yeah.
your warning.
What?
10-4, let him know.
You are abusing the banking.
How am I abusing the bank?
There, you walked in there and walked out and did not use the proper reasons why the bank
Okay.
is here.
I'm sorry that I have to go to an emergency.
This is your warning!
Well, you don't work at the bank.
Sir, I do work at the bank. Please
Show
don't
me
come
your
back in the next
occupation
10
then.
I can't do that, sir.
That's what I thought.
You're not required by law. That's your warning, sir.
I'm gonna go do it again right after I pick up this ride along. Hey, firm, yeah, I'll be down there in just a minute.
He is awaiting you at the front.
Hey, firm. Oh my god. Mr. Everstar. You know, we really could have used you like 2 hours ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah, our judge, we had a court case and our judge kind of passed out in the middle of it and he's at pillbox right now. So.
Oh. Yeah, I heard there was a court case and so I figured I wanted to, you know, sit in on it, observe it.
It was an absolute disaster, so.
Oh.
Everyone thought that we were talking. So the court case we're talking about. This guy that is suing had multiple situations that day, and was arrested multiple times that day. So everyone thought that we were talking about a different scene than we actually were. So it was very confusing. Yeah, and then the judge.
Man, we may need you to swap vehicles. Some people are having head issues.
And then the judge, he then passed out. So.
Who was the judge?
Judge Parsons.
Parsons, okay. Oh. Well.
What do you mean switch a seatbelt? But that.
Yeah, I was just wondering if.
What do you mean switch the seatbelt button?
Go for a ride along with you guys.
Yeah,
or someone?
for sure. Yeah. Let me. I need to go stop this vehicle.
All right. Can I park this vehicle somewhere?
Yeah.
Somewhere nearby.
Yeah.
Or?
Let's bring it in here. We'll bring it in the back. If you want to grab it, you can park it in the. If you want to grab it, you can park it in the garage. Oh my God, my voice. B isn't working for you. That's weird. Might be one of your. If you have a lot of your key bindings switched, like it will mess it up for you. I can look and see what it is. I don't know what's wrong with this. I need to do this real quick. Is there a no? No. Jeez. Hold on. Oh, well then that might be. Yeah. I would say that that's the issue. You can just park that anywhere. Sir, you can park that anywhere.
Alright, I'm gonna park it over at Legion, is that alright?
Yeah, you could do that, or you could just leave it in here if you want. We could roll the crown. Well, I guess we'll have to roll the crown. Oh, well that's good. I would have to then punish an admin. That's not good. Oh my god. These windows. Yes. Alright. Alright, man, if you just want to hop in.
Good to go?
Yeah. Yeah. So why are you, looking for a ride along?
Just to kind of, you know, the normal activity that you have to go through.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
I know it's probably not the best day, as there's probably not many citizens about, but...
Yeah, it's alright. I'm gonna go annoy the banker right now, because he warned me because I didn't take my shoes off before entering a bank.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Sure enough, did. 1 second.
What's up, boss man?
Hey, can I get another tent?
Sure, I'll just head right back there now.
Alright, bet. Thank you.
Mhm.
These windows are so crystal clear. I need some tint on these. So. Alrighty. What are those notes on the ground?
Is that what that is?
Yeah, there was notes on the
Ah.
ground. I have no idea who they were.
Hold on, can I get you a plate run for me?
How do you do that? Think about notes?
It's a keybind in your head. Go ahead.
Xylophone. Okay, yeah, I'm not doing the alphabet. XZDJ 466.
Can you repeat the plate again? XDGA 466. Oh, I'm an idiot. Can you repeat the plate again?
XZD J466.
Comes back to a mic genius.
Damn, for.
Clean and clear.
Hey, friend.
Okay. Sorry, someone asked for me to run something. Wrong lane. I don't know why all the light posts are falling over. Oh my gosh, this is a one-way. I need to get to this right here. Okay. Sorry. You could have a there you go. If you could just get the same window, yeah, same window tint as before. Yeah, that looks good. That's good, yeah. Some window tint. How much I owe you?
There you go, boss man.
Oh.
Don't worry about it.
Alright.
Be safe out there, dude.
Yep. Alright. I need to put this vehicle up and put it away real quick and then we can... just so it saves.
Alright.
Alrighty. Plate of this vehicle 948. Alright. Alright. Be right back. Alright. Gotta pull over here and take a phone call. Commissioner Smith speaking.
This is Officer Smart.
What?
This is Officer Smart.
Yes, this is Officer Smith.
I'm the client from Casting Couch.
Oh yes, from Casting Couch. Hi.
How you doing? I'm sorry for the late response. My airplane took a little bit to come over from Pakistan.
You're coming from Pakistan. I thought your office was in Vinewood.
No, I'm the lady that you requested.
Oh, the lady that... Well, I was looking for an Indian, not a Pakistan woman.
Might not be good with geographics, but India is right from Pakistan.
Oh. yeah, you're right. Okay, anywho, yeah, so...
My team got the bench ready.
Are you at City Hall?
Oh, I will come to MRPD.
No, I don't think that would be good for my job.
Okay, I'm right outside.
Of MRPD?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will be down there in just a moment.
Okay, thank you very much. I hope they give you a big erection.
Oh my god. I got a call yesterday about Casting Couch. And...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this lady says that she's at MRPD, ready to... I gotta go see what this is. Ay, ay, ay. I will die if there's a casting couch here.
What is casting couch?
You don't know what casting couch is?
No.
Of course you don't. It's an internet video of two people making love.
Sorry, what of people?
Two people making love on a couch. And they find like the best one.
Yeah, I've heard of that before. I thought it was something different.
No. Yep, nope, you know what? You heard right. Yep. I'm gonna call her up. I don't know where she's at. Hi. Yes. I'm at MRPD. Are you here?
I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm coming.
How long?
It's taking forever. I have to carry the bench, so I'm coming. Don't worry, I'll be there.
Why don't I meet you? Where are you at?
No. We go to MRPD.
Okay. I will
you.
see you. Hey. She's carrying a bench. I am very confused. We're just gonna wait here. So have you had many court cases recently? Oh. You hit page up on controller. With a controller active, it breaks everything. Page up? Because I'm using my controller right now and that's fine. Oh. Didn't mean to press that. You mean page down? I mean page down is working. Oh, Jesus Christ. Keep hitting those buttons. It brings up the...
Bossman, is there a local running in? I'm confused.
No, it's not. It's a long story.
10-4, I won't ask about your personal life.
It was a collect call that I received yesterday.
Did you buy timeshares?
No. Apparently Fudge signed me up to be on the casting couch. And this is the representative from Casting Couch.
Okay.
We're apparently speaking about the details. Hi! Hello. Hi.
Make sure if they pay you, they make sure they report it, otherwise it's prostitution.
Yeah, for sure. Yes, I'm Officer Smith.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm on work. You said that you were gonna come by the courthouse, which you
we
didn't.
can go to the courthouse.
And I also asked for an Indian. I asked for an Indian, not a dude.
I'm a girl.
You look like a dude.
That is very offensive, but I don't let that hurt me.
But I'm on duty right now, so I'll have to call you after my shift. And where's the camera crew?
The camera crew is a phone.
The camera crew is a phone.
10-4.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir. The camera is a phone, and we use that to record, and we send it out to the publishers in India.
Uh-huh. Okay. You know, I have a No, you know what? I have a couch at my house.
You can go to the couch, but I have to warn you, they're going to get a big surprise.
I swear if something down there is not what it's supposed to be.
No, it's all good. You want me to bend over right now?
No. Anyways, I'm on work right now. I can't do this. We already have one commissioner that's out on an IA investigation. We don't need another. I swear, if you have those points right now and you use them, I will kill you.
Oh, hello, sir. How are you doing today? Hello, sir.
Hi.
I'm talking to the individual in the passenger side.
Oh, I can't
Hello?
see. I'm using Restream, so I can't see that. Hold on. When did you use them? I feel bad now. I'm using Restream, so I'm using 2 chats. I'm seeing Twitch and YouTube, and I don't see those points. Where's my dashboard? Hold on. Before you walked in?
Good question.
You don't know who you are?
I know who I am, but you don't. That's a need to know basis, and you
4
don't know
minutes
anything
ago.
else.
Dang it! You.
Time getting up.
Okay.
Is that true?
Hey, miss, what's your name?
My name is. Here you go.
I don't need your ID. Pajeb La. Okay. Are you related to Osama?
No, he was. It's a very complicated situation.
Okay, I bet it is.
Very complicated.
I bet it is.
Very complicated.
Um.
Though I've been to his house before, but very complicated.
Okay, so you know, I know that was supposed to be like a strictly work type relationship with the casting couch, but you know, I just got this desire that I should ask.
So you want to have sex with an Indian? Yes, we understand. We get that a lot.
That I just have a desire to ask you out that I don't know where it came from, but apparently I do now.
So you want to ask me out?
Yes, on a date.
Sweet. That's amazing. It's amazing. I mean, you seem like a nice man. You seem like you have a difficulty of getting up at night. So we can help with that.
And just so you know, I'm not going to help you get your green card.
That was kind of a part of this.
Oh.
It's okay.
It was kind of a part of this.
No, that's what I was promised in the agreement.
Uh-huh.
But it's okay.
Okay.
Because if we marry each other, that would hey, I mean, you might want to get married with me. I mean, I kinda am a legal citizen. That's not how it works, but that's how it works in my mind.
Okay. Well, where do you want to go out?
That's up to you, sir.
Great. Okay. You want to go up to the new bean machine in Vinewood after I get off my shift?
Yes, it's okay.
Alright, perfect. Then I will,
Or we can go now.
No, I'm on duty.
Is this a judge?
Yes, it is a judge.
Hey, judge, would you like to be a part of the casting couch?
No.
Hey, I give you a discount.
Okay, no. He doesn't want to be a part of it. Let's just... Come on. Okay, I need your number. Oh, I have your... Wait, I have your representative's number, right? Or is that yours?
I gave you my number.
Okay, alright. I will call you.
Okay, can you drop me off?
Where? I'm not a taxi service.
Okay, I walked that.
No, get in.
You'll get there eventually. There
Yeah,
you go.
one of the doors will work. 1 second.
You said the video card was different. I know the case is.
Sorry, I just had to call someone. Didn't think that I was talking that loud. Anywho, so where am I taking you?
Where do you want to take me?
Yeah, where am I taking you? Yes.
I need to go to, Moon Knight Auto Empire. What is it, midnight?
Oh my god. Okay, I will take you there. Jesus Christ.
Judge, you saw he ran a red light?
Thank you.
Maybe.
In my country, we drive on other side of the road.
Yeah, so shut up.
Did you just tell me to shut up?
What?
Are you choking on your own spit? You okay?
I'm confused. We should probably go on the other way. We'll go on the...
Who's that sexy guy over there?
No one. Jesus Christ.
You know what they say? Oh, there's a fence in the air.
Are you sure that's not an alien?
I'm sure it's not an alien, unfortunately.
Are there aliens
Yeah,
here?
look.
Are there aliens here?
We dealt with one yesterday.
Oh shit, I'm out of here. I see you later, baby.
No. We're not.
Give me a
No.
hug. Give me a
No.
kiss.
No. We're not on that level. Judge, you can come in.
Hello?
Okay, no one's here. Alright, no one's here. Let's leave before she wants a ride. Hey! No. You're getting in the back. And you told me that you were going to midnight, not anywhere else.
Well, nobody does. Can you drop me at, PUN?
Yes. Here you go. Get out of my car. Get out of my car. Bye. Swear, some days I don't get paid enough.
Who was that? Your girlfriend?
No, but apparently we're going out on a date. I don't know.
I mean, it sounds like you do know. That's all right.
Yeah, sure. All right. Well then. Yeah. Judge. What the heck is his judge name?
325 1011.
Judge Parsons.
Okay, fine. I guess not your car either.
And then this is Miss Laden. Miss Laden. Okay. All right.
101.
Go ahead.
Can I get you over here? This lady,
Jesus Christ, she just bought a car. 10-4, I will be over there. You know, I don't get enough pay to deal with this. Alright, I'll be right back.
Sir, can you turn around while I get the ID that's in my bra?
What the hell?
why would you keep it there?
Are you a female?
No.
You don't fucking ask the question, sir. I need to get that out of my bra.
Okay, there's
and you
no
won't-
need for the language.
Well, I'm just trying to. I feel like you want to see my
Miss
thing.
Laden!
Yes, baby.
No. No. It's not how that's gonna happen. What you do? You just bought this car.
Turn the red at the intersection behind us, and
Yes,
then
but
took
I need him to
opposing
turn
lane
around
left
so I
turn.
can give him my ID that's in my bra.
Okay, that's very nice. Take it out. You don't
I
need
don't
to
want you to
you
be
don't need to
looking.
unclothe to get something out of it.
It's kind of in there.
Then reach in and pull it out. You'll still be covered.
Okay, but can you turn around?
No.
Don't feel comfortable. Hey,
Well,
come on.
maybe you shouldn't have been in this situation.
Okay.
Sorry, Mr. Lady, sit tight.
Jesus Christ.
Fuck you.
I don't get paid enough for this.
Eat
100%.
that on for lunch, baby.
Maybe. Let's see if you're not in the jail cell by the end of the night.
I heard they have some nice bunches in there. Oh, get him! Get him!
Well, thank you.
That's my bad.
That's okay. I'll just pick up my hat. We're good.
Freaking muscle spasms, you know, at an
Yeah.
old age, sometimes it just can't control.
MDW.
10-9, sorry. I don't know what he said.
Never mind, I got it.
Okay. Miss Laden? Miss
Yes,
Laden?
honey. Yes, honey.
Why were you just bought this car? Do you even have a license?
Yes, I gave you it.
I know, but you flew in okay. Well, why were you operating erratically?
I'm sorry, man. I was just trying to call you.
You were just trying to call me. Well, calling me would be on your phone, not in a car.
I thought I was just messing with the buttons on the touch screen here, and yeah.
You have a different story every 5 seconds.
I was trying to call you. I hooked up my phone to the car, and I hit the.
You know,
phone
most
call
cars
button.
have a warning that say, "Don't do this under operation of the vehicle, only in a
Not this-
parked
not this
state."
car. Not this
Well, maybe it should.
I'm really feeling like you're trying to establish dominance here with me.
I am, 'cause you're an idiot.
You might like it rough, sir.
I don't get paid enough.
I don't understand how you want to take a lady out on a date, and you call me an idiot, and you were really mean.
Well, you weren't an idiot beforehand.
That is just very rude. I'm going to give you a negative plus on the casting couch app. And don't forget
Fine.
that you specially requested me.
Yeah, I specially request. We're not getting into this.
You wanted me, okay? I came all the way from here, from Pakistan, and you thought you want me, and now you treat me like total jerk. Total jerk.
Well,
Why don't
I'm
you get
sorry.
him? Look at that. That's erratic driving.
Well, we are blocking the exit. And he safely maneuvered it, so. Alright, well.
What am I doing?
Waiting.
Okay, baby.
Sliding.
I'm
Here's your
always
Alexa bag.
grinding my teeth because of the stress. It's awful.
And I'm gonna be writing you a written warning. Quit being distracted on your new car. Pull over if you're gonna use it. Got me?
What?
If you're going to use your infotainment center, pull over to do so.
Am I allowed to go?
Yeah.
Alright. Man, she's a
Okay,
winner.
you have got to explain casting couch app. I'm confused.
Okay, there isn't an app. I'm not really sure. I got a collect call yesterday saying that I've been chosen to be on the casting couch, and I was like, fine, only one stipulation, as long as it's an Indian woman. And she's Pakistan.
Oh my. Do you not know what the casting couch is?
I do know what the casting couch is.
All right.
Wait,
keep
you
that-
talking red dot Indian or feather
Yes,
Indian?
red dot.
Oh, okay.
That's Native American now.
You're right, you're right.
I mean, some people, you know, they call it different things. I just.
No.
Whatever floats your boat.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Well.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully not see her again tonight. But I have a feeling I will.
Yeah.
Is that the officer that helped me earlier?
Yeah.
What was it? Was it Johnson?
No, it's Scott.
Scott.
Officer Scott.
Scott. Okay. All right. Sorry.
Oh my god.
What the?
Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and lock my car again and just walk over here.
I'm gonna move over there.
You serious? Are you serious? Turn around, face the wall.
They were illegally parked in the alleyway.
Doesn't
from
give
me.
you the
Where am I
right.
supposed to go? You have the driveway blocked. What am I supposed to do?
Face away from me. Watch out.
Ay. I'm gonna go run these plates.
Why are you
Okay.
doing this?
Cause you just drove over 2 cars. That does still does. You could just
Ay.
right there. There's not a fence there, sir. You must be seeing shit. You are seeing shit. You got anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, harm me anyway?
That was great. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
What do we want to do with this?
I don't know. I'm taking photos. Miss Ladin is very upset from what I said, so she's flying out.
Wait, what? What did you say?
I told her that she was an idiot, and she didn't like that.
Oh, no. What are these two doing?
I don't know. I'm just taking photos for evidence.
Yeah.
I'll start a report up.
Mr. Sivman, you mind taking like 3 steps that way from him? Thank you. Okay. So, explain to me your thought process of, okay, that's blocked. I'm gonna climb 2 cars to park my truck. Right. That's not even a...
You could have asked us to move.
So instead of the fence, you decide 2 cars.
Oh my gosh.
2.
I mean, I'll repair them. Shit, they shouldn't have worked there.
Dixie. Bullshit! You literally just destroyed somebody's property because your entrance was blocked. Bullshit, you left a note. I watched you drive over, park your truck, and try to run inside.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I was gonna give him a free repair. It's not a big deal. You don't need to escalate this.
Wait, you escalated it. You could have asked us to move. She was gone. We were sitting there talking.
Why were you still blocking the entrance? Move down the fucking road.
I didn't realize I was blocking an entrance. If you would have said something, I want to move.
You don't realize you're blocking the entrance. There's a fucking toll booth.
Okay.
Oh my god. Dude, what?
Isn't there a height limit on fucking headlights anyway? Like 54 inches or something like that?
Headlight? Oh.
I don't think you know anything
Yeah.
about a height limit, because you're always too short to ride the roller coasters anyways.
Permission to tase. I think he's resisting.
No, let's not do that. We got body cams and stuff.
Yeah, you want
Mine's not
another
on.
lawsuit?
Mine is.
Oh. Never mind. Alright, boss. We'll see you later.
Yeah, I gotta go to another call. Yeah,
Okay. Dixie, in our shoes, what would you do?
Let me go.
For what?
Give me a fine. I mean, fuck, I'll take a fine.
Would it be one or two
Offense,
accounts? One or two
yeah.
accounts of reckless.
Okay, that's
Well,
fine. I'll take
we'll
that.
say they were close enough for one.
Okay. That's still 20 months and $10,000 in fines.
Oh.
20 what?
Yeah, the DOJ is currently looking into this because I've charged 3 people recently, and you can
For destruction of property.
Yeah, you can get like a murder charge, and it's not even that much. So the Department of Justice is adjusting it. Hold on, actually, I think it might be updated, just not in our system. 1 second.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
All right. Okay. So, bank robbery. Failure to apply jaywalking. Oh, that's good. Glad we added that. Contempt of court, open to capital. What is it? It doesn't have how long. Steve, are you here?
Yeah.
Can I move you for that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm live streaming this stuff while you're on it. In the penal code, where do you get the times on the sheet?
I left that up to Austin.
So he filled those in?
He did all of that. I did not touch any of those.
And did he do it in the doc, or did he do it in the code?
I think he did it in the doc. I didn't update the config.
Okay.
For the
yeah, I'm just trying. I knew that he changed some stuff, but one of our things is really weird. So, all right. Sounds good.
Word.
Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back.
Mm-hmm.
I'm back.
Never
What's up,
mind.
template? How you doing? Alright. So, yeah, nothing's been updated on the charge.
Oh.
Come on, officer. Don't
So-
have to do this.
Yeah, Dixie doesn't realize he's 2 days from expungement.
Yeah.
Judge, you see what we deal with? Every day. Every day on the streets.
You know, if
Every
you actually
day.
took care of your people that you put in witness protection and not leave them in a fucking dirty house and
By the
not
way,
even
Judge,
check on them.
For a second. This guy was a CI for us. So we were talking about alleviating or expediting his expungement because apparently, what's that dude's name? Lucas Gallows, which is the current case that's going on. He snitched on him and set him up for a sting.
Brief description.
Wow,
What's
way to
the
throw me
sting?
under the bus like that, you
Hey,
fucker.
he's a judge. He's good.
Yeah, it's not like the whole world is seeing this.
He was
What do you
he
mean?
was up for expungement.
When did you set that in?
2 days.
I want to say it was the 19th is when I put it in.
Oh yeah, you were really close.
Like, that's when I handed my paperwork over to the DA, and he said
So 3
that
days,
he would,
3 days,
He would
yeah.
talk to the judge, and then talk to me.
Right.
So is there a time limit on expungement? Like you have to.
I
pass so
was
many
told by the
days?
DA 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks of a clean
Like,
behavior.
you have to go 2 weeks without getting any serious infractions, against you. But like a speeding ticket or something like that, it shouldn't fucking.
So serious is really.
You driving over 2 vehicles.
That's not serious.
What
How
do
do
you
you know
mean that is not
How do you
serious?
know those aren't owned by Midnight and those are stunt vehicles?
They're stunt vehicles. Uh-huh.
For stunts for what?
So then
No,
Midnight
we
would
gotta
have
draw in
the
customers somehow.
Midnight would have the paperwork for such stunt vehicles.
Yeah.
Right?
No, you'd have to talk to the boss man. I'm not the boss man.
And let me guess, he's out.
Oh yeah, he's out of town for a while.
Good. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, wow, your story is fantastic. Well,
Well, are we just gonna go our separate ways, or?
you...
I say we take him to jail.
Huh.
I say you shut the hell up.
See, and that language is not helping your case.
Yeah.
Really, this coming from the man who was openly cussing in the middle of a courtroom.
I was not openly cussing. The judge was not
I
present.
recall at least 5 F-bombs.
The judge
dropped.
was not present. It is not a courtroom until the judge is in there.
Yeah, is that what it is?
Right, Judge? Right?
Well, the courtroom is a courtroom, but whether court is in session during the proceedings.
Oh, yeah.
You're just lucky
So
a
fuck
bailiff
you.
wasn't present. Okay, if a bailiff was present, he would have told you to shut the hell up.
That's fine.
Like the
That's
judge
fine.
did a couple times. Remember that?
That's right. Yeah, because the judge sucks.
Look, Officer Smith, I haven't had a run-in with y'all in a while. Not even a speeding ticket.
But then you go, oh, I'm itching. What? Yeah, bro,
I mean, everyone.
if you want to
needs
go
a little
release steam, like, go play in a junkyard or something. Not a lot when public view and 2 police officers watching it.
fun. Don't block the only entrance then.
That's
Ask
not
us
a
to
valid
move.
excuse. Yeah.
Okay, next time I will just drive over the sidewalk and through the fence. Okay?
I mean, that's what
better-
you did the first time to get out, so...
Okay. In my eyes, there was no fence the first time. Coming
Well,
back,
no, there
was
wasn't.
fence.
There was no fence either time for me,
Yeah.
so...
Yeah,
Well,
there's
for
still
me
not
there
one,
was.
like-
So
I bet if I go touch that white car, I'll be sent to the realm. Shadow realm.
Oh, good. Okay,
I'm gonna try
anyways.
it real quick. Hang on.
So... so.
What are we thinking? Street court?
Yeah, apparently this is street court. I mean,
Never
oh,
mind, I
feel
thought
like
the
I'm
fence
about to
was
get
in the
executed.
car. We're good.
no. We're not gonna execute you, Jesus.
Gallows,
Hey,
mate.
you want to see a magic trick real quick?
No.
No, it's really cool. I won't break out of the cuffs.
Okay.
Watch this. Ready? Ready? Watch this.
Oh, thank you. They're very.
Oh my God.
Thought you had this door locked. Okay.
Why would I do that? Because you guys can walk right through the front doors. Those are. I can't
Okay,
lock
I
those.
did. Shush. Well, Shell, this one's up to you.
Oh, come on. Don't fuck me over.
I kind of want to. Not gonna lie.
Because I remember there could have been multiple times when I pressed charges against you for ramming my vehicle at a stoplight.
That sounds like a threat.
No, it's a
You have
statement.
proof?
Really? Do what you gotta do.
It's a one.
Alright, sir, at this time you have the right to shut the fuck up and let me uncuff you.
We finding him?
Give him like a 10K fine. That'll cover the damages of those two cheapos.
Hey, officer.
Can you touch your pockets?
I cannot touch my pockets.
God damn it. How about now? There we go.
God, I got
Oh
Sorry.
my
Sorry.
God.
Tourette's. My bad. Ooh, my bad.
Assaulting
God,
an
I got-
officer? Are you kidding me?
I have Tourette's. I'm sorry.
Made him pay all the
That was my
fines.
defense.
That was
Um,
excessive use of force.
Tourette's
was-
is speech-based.
Not in my case.
Oh my god.
Parkinson's?
muscle
We
dy-
then made him pay
dystrophy,
all the
I think.
fine.
Oh, yeah.
Look, me not
Got
know
it.
so smart. Okay.
That's alright. But if you're gonna make stuff up, just make sure you make the right stuff up.
$9:30. That's not happening.
Finish court.
No, dude, it's already 9:40 now.
Vehicle.
That woman
And
over
no
there, I
matter.
believe,
Oh,
just said
Judge,
fuck the
Judge,
police.
I have a question for you.
Okay.
So, Gallows has
Jenny
representation,
Craig
right?
does work.
Okay. Gallows has representation. No problem there. LSPD, however, has no legal representation in court.
The DA.
We have no DA in the city currently.
Don't you have an associate DA?
I
He's on
believe
vacation.
His cousin is the sheriff that's in court now.
Wait, the associate DA's cousin is a sheriff?
Correction, I think
No,
the
no, no, no.
assistant DA's cousin is the one suing you right now.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Um.
So is that
Those-
basically null and void?
Dixie, those fines have been added to you. Make sure you pay them. I gotta go.
I think that if the officer would like, due to the city circumstances,
Jesus. Sup, homeboy?
Yeah. We're trying that and it's not going so well because me and Steve have no idea what.
I just left my ride along. I'm not really sure. Where am I going? Alrighty. Oh, bro, I've been streaming for almost 3 hours. Dang. Hasn't felt that long.
You're just gonna leave your civilian.
Oh, crap. Yep, I'll be there. Can fit. I can fit.
There he is. Good luck with him.
Yeah, alright.
Good one, boss.
Hey, I fit. It's not my fault. Alright. I don't know where we're headed, what we're doing.
Oh, well, you got a date to get to later tonight.
Well, no, she decided
Oh, yeah.
that she didn't like the way I spoke to her, so she canceled it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What a shame.
Yeah. I'm hearing something about this continuance of the court case, but I don't even know if the judge is out of the hospital yet.
How did he get in the hospital? What did he have, like a heart attack or something?
Yeah, he had a heart attack.
Oh, shit.
Right, like on the stand. Just stopped speaking, had a heart attack, and we transported him to Pillbox.
Oh, God.
Yeah, it was a tragedy.
How old is that judge?
I mean, he's quite old. I'm not really sure how old. I mean, he's gray, so, I mean, he's old. Ay.
I mean, I'm gray in the hair, but I got some spunk in me.
Yeah. Don't be giving me a heart attack, or don't have a heart attack on me. You know, the department, that won't look good on the department.
My heart doesn't have the balls to attack itself. It's just one of the local officers.
Say it again. Yeah, the
I was
officers.
wondering. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh crap, I might need fuel soon. What in the heck is that?
Is that like a military jeep?
I have no idea. Looks like it belongs in the Civil War. I'm gonna go ask. Wonder if anyone's around here. Hello? Hello? Whose nice Jeep is that outside? No idea why they're here. I'm gonna run the plate on it. I wanna see what it is. It's a nice Jeep. Alright, man. I'll see you. GGH. I need my lights on. There we go. GH V6276. Huh. It's that lawyer. Oh crap. Keep forgetting I have a ride along. Well, I'm gonna call it a stream here, guys. It's been quite a long stream. I enjoyed it. It was pretty fun. I don't think I have any music. Oh well. Well, guys, it's been fun. I really appreciate all you stopping by. We've been streaming for over 3 hours now, so good stream. Hope y'all enjoyed. My name's been Officer Smith. I'll see y'all next time with another stream. Have an awesome evening.